In this video, I'll be showing you how to use iTunes to factory reset iPhone. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this. Now, what you want to do is instead of using iTunes, because iTunes is now an outdated application, it only supports very old devices. What you want to do is use the Apple Devices application. So you just want to go over to the Microsoft Store and then go over to the very top and then type in Apple devices like so. You're going to see the application right here by Apple. Now, once you have it, go ahead and open it while your iPhone's connected. And then from here, all you got to go ahead and do is click on the general tab. And then you're going to see restore iPhone as one of the options. So what you want to do is click that. And then once you go ahead and do that, you want to click restore when it says like update or restore. So click that and it's going to ask you if you want to just agree to the terms, and then that's literally it. You'll be good to go. It's then going to be able to factory reset. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and also be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well, because there is a lot to go through and you might find something you didn't know about yet.